With a decrease in community transmission, the Multi-Ministry Taskforce will progressively ease the tighter circuit breaker measures over the coming weeks. But we need to do this carefully. Even as we cautiously lift some restrictions, we may need to put in place further safeguards as necessary. We will allow the gradual resumption of selected activities and services in the coming weeks, subject to the necessary safe management measures being put in place. For example, from 5th May 2020, traditional Chinese medicine, needle acupuncture will be allowed for pain management if assessed by the TCM practitioner to be essential. TCM halls with registered TCM practitioner will also be allowed to sell retail products to meet the needs of Singaporeans. We will also allow some businesses to resume operations from 12 May. We will put in place measures to facilitate the gradual reopening of work premises and the economy. My co-chair, Minister Lawrence Wong, will share more later. While the number of community cases has come down, we are not out of the woods yet. New clusters may form if we let our guards down. We must press on with our efforts so that we continue to keep the numbers low. The rest of the circuit breaker measures continue to be crucial in keeping transmissions low in the community and will remain in force until 1st of June. The Multi-Ministry Taskforce will closely observe the trends over the coming weeks and adjust further as necessary. Should the situation clearly be under control by 1st June, we will be able to further roll back some of the circuit breaker measures gradually to allow a greater degree of normalcy. Even then, it will be a new normal we all have to adapt to. We must continue to be vigilant. The task force will monitor the number of COVID-19 cases closely. Should there be emerging trends of increasing transmissions, we may have to reinstate some of the precautionary measures. The experience of many countries has taught us that COVID-19 is hard to eradicate. We may get cases and even clusters from time to time. What is important is how we respond when such cases are found. That is why our strategy of testing and quickly ring-fencing confirmed cases remained critical in our fight against COVID-19. We will leverage technology to speed up contact tracing so that we can more effectively prevent the formation of new clusters. We must rally as a society and adapt with resilience. At the individual level, we must keep up our good habits such as safe distancing, personal hygiene, and wearing of masks. Let us be socially responsible so that we can keep the infections at bay.